Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To run Python code in Visual Studio Code, you need to have Python installed on your system and the Python extension installed in Visual Studio Code. Follow the steps below to run Python code in Visual Studio Code. 1. Install Python. Download and install Python from the official Python website, https://www.python.org. Make sure to check the option to add Python to the system path during installation. 2. Install Visual Studio Code. Download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, https://code.visuals2dio.com. 3. Install Python extension in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the VS Code window. Search for Python in the Extensions view search box. Click Install on the Python extension offered by Microsoft. 4. Create a new Python file. Click on the Explorer icon in the activity bar to open the Explorer view. Click on the New File icon to create a new file. Save the file with the .py extension, example hello.py. 5. Write Python code. Write your Python code in the new file you created. For example. 6. Run the Python code. Right-click on the Python file in the Explorer view. Select Run Python file in Terminal from the context menu. The Python code will be executed in the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code, and you will see the output printed. That's it. You have successfully run Python code in Visual Studio Code. Remember to save your Python files before running them. Here is an example code snippet that you can run in Visual Studio Code. Save this code in a Python file, example square.py, and follow the steps mentioned above to run it in Visual Studio Code.